This eagle owl seemed friendly enough, especially when offered food. With its distinctive eyes and pointed tufts of feather upon its head, Hobby was in awe.
So we went back there.
This nocturnal bird of prey will hide in the trees, almost invisible, until the time is right to strike, to silently swoop down, razor-sharp talons at the ready. Rabbits, roe deer, even eagles, all should beware the eagle owl. Eagle owl, I am honored to have discovered you. To Warwick, fly true, fly safe. Now Hobby was about to face his biggest challenge yet. For many years, I have invited nobles from all over this land to come to Warwick and to enjoy one of my great hunting parties. They bring their birds of prey to the castle, and we compete in sport and in the hunt. Hobby had always watched from afar, and there was always one bird that he found the most thrilling: the peregrine falcon. No ordinary falcon. This is the falcon that royalty will bow down to. It is the falcon of princes. Peregrine, the wanderer, bird of the cliff and mountain, moor and craggy coastline.
Wow.
In the sky, there is no place for hunter to hide. This bird must rely on speed. When she tucks in her wings, she shoots towards Earth to become the fastest bird. Seeing this bird in flight and on the hunt takes Hobby's breath away. He longs to learn more, to be tested. And now in this land, that test will come. From a master falcon and the most royal falcons, the peregrine. Hunting ducks, pigeons, catching them on the wing. They strike a target with a single deadly blow. Such speed can kill their prey on impact. A ruthless killer who is totally focused on the hunt. Continued his quest. He learned of a group of birds that lived in a far-off land that were known to some as the wolf pack of the skies. Unlike other birds of prey that hunted alone, these birds worked together to stalk, chase, trap, and kill their prey. It was not long before he met these wolves of the sky. They were the Harris Hawks. Found the Harris Hawks to be clever and great fun. He understood why they were so popular in sport and hunting.
Wow. Matitik video.
As a family, with a strict ruler of the family was a
Wow.
female. The young males will hunt,
No, he's coming
working
back.
together to flush out hidden prey, sometimes diving from the air or running.
Yeah, he's following. I think it's
The
the.
females will deliver the final blow to the prey. Then they feast. Ladies first, of course.
What kind of bird is that? Falcon.
This is a hawk. This is a Harris hawk. Called a Harris hawk.
Oh,
Hobby admired their
it's on the
speed
tree
and
now.
agility, their dark brown plumage, the white bar on the tip of the tail feathers, and their long legs that had very tough skin so they could perch on sharp plants.
Amazing eyesight.
Daming tao, guys. It's like
Close to a hunting bird.
Can be protected
this is
of their territory
shoe in
and
Warwick
will
Castle,
viciously
guys.
defend their lands from other hawks. Hobby, a very strange story, that if there is no room to perch on a tree, they will sit on top of each other up to 4 birds high. Hobby looked forward to showing me this entertaining
What a
cast of Paris hawks. Hobby continued his adventure. He journeyed south, where he had heard about another strange-looking bird with enormous wings. For many days he searched, until one day he saw an unbelievable sight.
Wow, look at that huge.
It was an Andean condor.
Where is
Legend said this was the largest bird of prey in the world. On seeing this magnificent bird, Hobby knew this to be true. These predators of the sky were said to live for up to 80 years.
There it is. Oh,
These
this one.
giants of the air live in high mountains, open grasslands, and along coastlines. They are not natural hunters. They like to scavenge for food. Claws are short, unlike an eagle, and they use them well to hold down any scavenged carcasses they feast upon. Hobby was amazed to learn that the Andean condor had a wingspan of only 10 feet. This bird
Huh?
conveyed power and freedom. A
One's at the
dominant
American
and
side on the
forceful
flag.
that will face any kind of threat and never hold back. Fast, agile, brave, magnificent.
Ooh. Oh.
Whether soaring effortlessly or powerfully flapping its wings in flight, Hobby was transfixed. bald eagle is an aggressive predator, a true hunter. It does not care how it gets its food. It will eat carrion, steal fish from other birds, or hunt for its own, often swooping down and grabbing the fish with its sharp talons.
Tour sa atin, lablab.
The bald eagle would rule the skies of Warwick. Having found the majestic bald eagle, Hobby returned to Warwick and stood before me. He told me of his adventures, of the birds he had found. He reminded me of the reward he had to be my master falconer and care for the birds of Warwick. I reminded him that he also wished to see the skies above the castle fall once more with birds of prey. Both Hobby and I were rewarded.
Wow! Hindi ka mabibig. Yeah, no, he's throwing the food as well. I think catching it.
Once again, the skies above Warwick were full of many magnificent birds of prey. A sight that would indeed be the envy of a king. Warwick had a new hero, and I had a new master falconer, who was destined to protect and care for these beautiful birds. Hobby had fulfilled the falconer's quest.
Hey! Well done.
I'm gonna get free if you want to choose a big one.
Find something else. Ganda na?
Before you go back inside, seeing as how we're down here, do you want to look around and take some pictures?
Yeah.
Outside before we go back.
Oh. I have sweets. Okay. So tapos na ang Falcon show. Maglalakad-lakad na kami dito sa around the Warwick Castle, guys. Ang ganda-ganda. Beautiful and it's sunny day. So, tutor namin kayo ngayon dito sa Warwick Castle.